In this step, we are going to attach this circuit to the base. Now you'll see that there are two raised bosses on this base, and there are two holes on this circuit. These two holes align up exactly with these bosses, and this power input slides in to this opening at the back of the base. So what you're going to do, and if you see the cloth is in the way, just pull it up a bit. Take your circuit, slide it in till you see the two holes lining up. Flip it over. Take one of the 16mm screws and slide it through. You'll see it come to the other side. Use a hex nut and screw it down. For the other hole, repeat the same process. Flip it over, slide the 16mm screw through, use the hex nut, and screw it down. If required, as always, you can use the screwdriver. Hold the hex nut on one side and tighten on the other.